Hello, this is AAA Skills, and today I'll be unboxing my first Pen Wish order. Oh, yeah. I took it all straight from the box. First class shipping. I love it. So, I ordered a Comssa, metallic Comssa, and I know what most of you advanced pen spinners are thinking if you're watching this. Why would somebody buy a Comssa because they could just make it? I decided to buy it because it was $3 and it's cheap. And as you can tell by my skin color, we Indians are cheap. So we prefer to get the cheaper thing. Had to get everything under $30. So I got this Comssa. Metallic Comssa. My first impression of it is I really like the sleek body. It's kind of short, but I like the rubber bands and the caps are nice. I thought they'd be more like big caps, but oh look, it writes. They didn't take out the ink. Wait. It's just like any ordinary marker, but as far as the spinning goes, it's kind of lightweight, but I like it. And the Waterfall model, because it's like $17 and it's so good, I'll do my first impressions later. And as far as actual modding goes, I got 4 Anyball grips, each in a different color. I got 1 HGG tip grip, then 2 HGG tips. So, tips are smaller than I thought. They don't fit inside the... I really like this tip. It's nice. These tips. Then I got 2 Comssa caps for my MXSAs. So I'm going to use one for my MX, and then these 2. This don't have sailor hoops or anything, but I guess I can just improvise. Other from that, I got a Waterfall mod. I love it. It's amazing. The momentum is just... I've been practicing the reverse thumb around. Getting pretty good at it. That's a nice combo. I like it lightweight. I don't really like heavyweight pens. I was planning to get a Buster CYL, but I'm like, nah. I'm not good enough for that. I really like this. Especially this nice Super Pirat. It's cleaned. I really like these grips. It's so personal and everything. It's nice and long too. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Actually, I'm gonna go back and make some mods. I'm back with new mods and Spectre. Wait. So with the existing MXs that RSVP that I bought, I made an MXSA. I forgot to buy another HGG grip. I should have, but here's my completed MXSA. It's really nice, actually. Kind of hard to do like a bust. Then it turns out this isn't an actual Comssa, metallic Comssa. It's just a Comssa. I'm not sure what Comssa, but I'm getting used to, because it's my first ever Comssa type pen I've spinned. A Waterfall mod I'm getting really used to. It's heavyweight, but not too heavyweight. Maybe someday I'm gonna get a personal Waterfall mod. It's really good for the index and the busts. I'm gonna try the middle around, but it's kind of hard filming with one hand, but yup. And then this Victory I added Anyball grips to, with the ZG grips. I mean the Zebra Z-grip grips. I really like it too. And then this is some of the leftovers. I don't know what to do with my Airfit. I'm just gonna let it be. If I ever make something worthwhile. Oh yeah, and another Comssa cap. I didn't even order it, but because it's free. Hope you enjoyed my video.